So now let's see how we can go around and assign out the resources to the task so that we can go around and calculate out the costs. So I have actually already gone around over here onto the view tab, and I went to the resource sheet right here and have assigned out all of the prices here accordingly. And to learn more about it, you can look at the previous videos on lesson, that is a lesson 33 or 34, 33 and 34, so that you know how you can assign costs to the resources as well. So I'm going to go around onto the Gantt chart, and over here we can see some resources right here, but we have not assigned out resources to individual tasks. And if you want to calculate out the cost, then that becomes important. And to do that, if I were to go around onto let's say, for example, over here on the task menu right here, you'll be able to go around and see the details right here. You can click on the details and this will pop up, and you can go around and select out different tasks right here. Once you go around, you can assign resource to it, and you can go around over here and you see all of the resource that is there in the resource list. For example, for the brainstorming concept, let's say I want the scriptwriter to do that. So you can go around over here and you can assign out units like 100%, and work is, let's say, for example, about 8 hours right here, just like this. You can go around over here and assign out, let's say, storyline writer, and this is going to be the script writer again. So this is going to be 100% right here, and this is going to be around, let's say, for example, 18 hours of work right here. Similarly, you can go around and you can see that the task has been assigned over here, and I'm going to go around over here, assign out the script writer again, select out the units 100%, and let's just go around and say 8 hours right here, and so forth. And you can see that all of them are being assigned right here as I assign out the work hour, but I don't want that. So let me just press Ctrl Z right here, just like this, and you can see that it goes back to as it was. So I'm just going to go around over here, and on the resource name, let me just go around, select script writer, and just go unit right here as 100%, so that it does not actually go around and rearrange out the time right here, but it takes the task overall time and calculates it and keeps it over here. So that becomes easier. So for this as well, I'm going to go around, add in the script writer and increase out the unit, and then go to the script writing section right here. Let's go around and then select out script writer onto units 100%, and then that is what you have right here. And for the storyboard right here, just like this, I'm going to add in a storyboard artist, and then there you go. It has been assigned, as you can see on the resource name right here. So this is what you have, and you can also go around and select out the resources from over here. So for shooting, you need the cinematographer and the crew member right here, and we need the camera rent as well, just like this. And for the storyboarding right here, we do need the drawing papers as well. So let's just go around and then add that in as well. So that is how you can go around and see that you can assign resources to the different tasks that you have. For the editing, I'm going to go around, add in an editor and an editing software right here, just like this. And for publishing, I'm going to go around and select out editor right here. And for a budget meeting and everything else right here, we need the accountants. So let's just go around and select out accountants from over here. So you can go around and assign out the tasks right here, as you can see. So if I were to go around onto, let's say, brainstorming, or if I were to go around and select this out, you can see that this is what you have. You got the details right here. And if I were to right click around over here, and then if I were to go around, right click, you can see the cost option. And if I were to go to cost now, you can see the cost for the individual tasks right here. So it calculated out the total time and the resource budget, and then you can see the total cost right here. So for the brainstorming, it'll cost this much. For story writing, it'll be this much, and so forth, as you can see right here. And you can see the additional cost over here for each of the tasks, as you can see right here. You can go around onto shooting and see the shooting costs over here, the total budget and everything it calculated, along with the camera rent and everything, as you can see right here. For the editing as well, and for the software, you see the totals over here, just like this. and for the individual, let's say, budgeting. But for this one, you can see that this is accountant right here. It's 100%, but the cost is not there. So you can go around over here and then just show this. Let's just go around over here onto the details pane right here. And then this is what you have, as you can see. So you haven't actually gone around and saw this, but you can go around and then change around the cost over here just like this as well, manually as well. But initially this is milestone based, so you're not really seeing anything. So let me just go around, delete out the accountant, and I'm going to clip the accountant around over here. So now the days are calculated, as you can see right here, and then you see the total cost depending on the time that is assigned right here. And that is what you have, as you can see. You can go around and see the total cost of everything as you assign resource to the task, and then you can easily calculate out the cost for each of the tasks. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.